Well, hello there, YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. So, I did a couple of projects over the Christmas break that I wanted to share with you, and I hadn't been able to post that yet because I've been super busy. But I am going to post that now and give you some quick instructions on how I did it, and hopefully you can use this throughout the year because it's some towels that I made, and I use sublimation and glitter vinyl. So follow me. Okay, we're simply starting with a rectangle shape because my picture that I'm going to use is in a rectangle shape. So I cut a piece of glitter vinyl just a little bit larger than my picture. And now I'm just going to simply press this onto the towel. And to get the center of the towel, you can see a little crease in the towel. I just folded it in half and creased it there, and you can see a little crease in my vinyl. Well, I just pinched it with my fingers. That's how I usually get the center when doing t-shirts as well as towels. So that's a little hint there. Um, so now just press this onto the towel and peel off the backing, and then we can move on to our sublimation picture. So now here's my picture. As you can see, it's a little bit smaller than my vinyl. Let me flip it over so you can actually see what we're pressing here. So we're going to flip that over, and we are going to center that, and we're just going to use the heat press to press this at 400. As you can see, my ink is showing on the other side, like you can see it through the paper, which means I got a good press. So it's kind of hot now, so I'm going to try to, oh, it's hot, but I'm going to try to um, flip this over so you can see it and slide it to the edge. This is a little trick to keep from burning your fingers, but it's still hot. Let's let it cool just for a couple of seconds. I don't want to smear it either. There we go. Yes, beautiful. And there's our final product. The glitter does make it a little stiff, but this is a decorative towel, so I wasn't worried about that. Look how beautiful it looks. Gorgeous. Here are some other towels. That's another towel that I did. These are the towels hanging in the bathroom. Now I did the other one with the girl with the Santa hat the same way. I just cut my glitter vinyl out in the shape of her. I mean, because she's already a silhouette file. I have the Silhouette Cameo 3 for those who don't know. But yeah, you already have the shape of her because I've done her in vinyl too. So, I just weld it all together and just have the silhouette cut out the shape of her. And instead of the rectangle, and it works the same way. But if you have any questions, please post them below, and I will answer your question to the best of my ability. So I hope that you really enjoyed it. If you did, press that subscribe button and smash that like button. Yes. So I will be back sometime soon with some new projects. But again, my name is Terry Bates. I am the owner of A God Given Talent Teas and Crafts. And thank you all for watching, and I will see you later. Bye. Be strong. Be strong.